Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video today to help us with our lesson today. So our objective is I can determine whether the given value of a variable is a solution of an equation. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are simply going to be thinking about whether it is a solution or if it is not a solution. All right, so let's take a look at our first equation here. We have C, and C is our variable. C plus 11 equals 20. And right now we want to know if C is equal to 19. So all we're going to do here to solve is basically we are going to be plugging in our variable for our given value to see if it works. So let's see, if C is equal to 9, that means that 9 plus 11 should equal 20. And it does. That means that C is the solution to this equation. So we're simply going to write in is a solution. And that's it. That's how we're going to be solving these today. All right, so let's just practice another one here. For our equation, we have 1/3 h equals 6. This means that it's 1/3 multiplied by h is equal to 6. And here, variable h is equal to 2. Let's see if this is a solution. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm actually going to solve. I'm going to solve by plugging in 2 in the variable or in the spot for h. So that means 1/3, okay, times 2. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite 2 as a fraction in order to solve. So that is 1/3 multiplied by 2 over 1, because that is how we write a whole number as a fraction. And if you remember, when you multiply fractions, you're going to multiply straight across. So first our numerator is 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 1 is 3. So let's see, our answer came out to be 2/3. So 1/3 times 2, it says it's equal to 6. That doesn't work out. When we plugged in 2, we came out with 2/3. Therefore, we know that 2 is not a solution here. Does not work. For this to have been a solution, when we plugged in, it would have turned out to be 6. We were looking for 6. Okay, let's try one more, and then you'll get an opportunity to try a couple on your own. So here we go. We have this one, and it's a little bit in reverse. It's giving our answer first. 9 is equal to 3/4 E, 3/4 E. This means 3/4 times E. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look over here, and it's saying that our solution should be that E is equal to 12. So let's go ahead and try to solve here. So that means our answer should be 9. So let's see. Let me see. I'm going to solve 3/4 times E, and in this case, I'm going to plug in 12. Again, I'm going to rewrite that by turning my 12 into a fraction. So it's going to be 3/4 times 12 over 1. Okay, and we are going to just multiply straight across. So we know that 3 times 12 is equal to 36, and 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Now what we have ended up with is an improper fraction. So that means I can take, or I can ask myself, well, how many times does the number 4 go into 36? Oh, that's right. It goes in 9 times. So I've ended up with the answer of 9. Let's take a look. And that works. I should have ended up with 9. That tells me that E equals 12 is the solution. That works. I hope this video was helpful. Now you can go back to Google Classrooms and make sure you're going into your document and completing today's work. Okay, bye.